this is all that's lace. and then nothing else. So oh, give me some bangs. Oh,
You bad like that, you know, but I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up? So you guys, in today's video we are just going to be sitting and installing this cute little curly bob right here. I figured since it was still kind of hot outside, especially out here in Georgia, it was best for me to go ahead and get my short wig out the way, you know, something to put the hair up but to not be hot. And this wig really did it for me. I got this wig off of Amazon. I will link all the details in the description box down below as to where or who this hair is by, okay? But anyways, if you guys haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops a new video. Now let's go ahead and get into it. But anyways, y'all, today we are going with a little bob. Okay, it's still pretty hot outside, especially here in Georgia. And you know, it is way too hot to be wearing long hair, so I figured since I had this little bob right here that I will go ahead and you know, apply it and just really like give you guys my opinion. And if you're someone that likes to wear short wigs, or you're considering cutting your hair, I would probably start with a wig first, unless you are brave and just want to just go for it. Do you? But yeah, that's it. That's what we're doing. So if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops a new video. Now let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so for this particular wig tutorial, I have decided not to use wig cap. One, because the wig cap that they sent with the wig is extremely light. Like, I could do something with it, but I'm just not trying to do all of that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to not use a cap. I already braided my hair down. I put like 4 or 5 braids in it, I think like 4, but yeah, so it's already flat, it's braided down, washed, conditioned, looking good, feeling good. So let's go ahead and get started with applying this wig. Now, I didn't really think that I needed to bleach the knots because, ooh, if you can kind of see, well, that ain't gonna work, okay? But if you can kind of see, it looks very transparent and stuff like that. So I think it'll go real good with my skin tone. I think that it's perfect. It's perfect to just go ahead and apply. Like, I'm even thinking that you could probably wear this glueless if you wanted to. But let's go ahead and try this on just to kind of, you know, adjust and see what we got going on with this wig. And if you guys have watched my previous tutorials, y'all know I like to go from the back and then pull up. So like this, you know, from the back. And then we're gonna pull it up and we're gonna adjust it. And yeah, and look, it's gonna do something. It's gonna do something. It's gonna do something. It's gonna look good. I'm seeing the hairline. I'm seeing the vision. I'm seeing, it looks like it's kind of pre-plucked already as well. So there's not a whole lot that you're gonna need to do with it. Y'all, it's literally like, you got this. This is all that's lace. and then nothing else. So oh, give me some bangs. Oh, just kidding, let's not. Anyways, let's go ahead and get this, you know, put on now that we got it, you know, adjusted and stuff. You know, I'm feeling this is gonna be cute. I always look good with any kind of hair, really, but short hair. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's see what we could do with this. Let's see what we could do. But yeah, y'all, this is gonna be cute. I can just see myself now. I need to not. I'm funny. Okay, so it's easier to apply. I'm going to start from the middle and then apply the sides. So I'm going to cut the lace in 2 different places, really, so that there's a middle and then there's the side, just so it's easier to go ahead and apply the wig. You know what I'm saying? I mean, obviously don't go too far up, because just in case you like mismeasure and stuff like that, you want to leave a little bit of room for error. yeah, this is where my hairline is. This is where I want my wig to be applied. Let's go ahead and start applying the lace bonding glue. And y'all, I know I said I wasn't gonna use the EBIN anymore because I didn't like the way that it applied, but it could have been because I was using the cap. So I'm gonna give it a try one more time. Really, because I haven't been able to go to the hair store to get new hair bonding glue. But two, maybe it just will work a little bit better than what it did last time. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. So yeah, I'm just going to apply here first, and then you know, go all around the hairline. But take your time on this. You know, you ain't gotta go crazy. You still want to have hair after this process, you know. Okay, and we're gonna let that glue around the hairline go ahead and dry up a little bit. And the last time I tried to use my blow dryer, so I don't know, maybe I'll try to use a blow dryer again to try to, you know, quicken the process. Okay, way better, way better, way better. Y'all remember that last wig that I applied and I did that on? Ooh, this is way better. Love that for me. Okay, let's go ahead and continue applying the rest of the wig. I'm excited. Okay, so now that I've got everything, you know, it's dried down for the most part, I'm just going to use the elastic band and I am going to melt this. There we go. And while that is doing its thing, I kind of want to say I want to go through and like wet this up and see what it's going to do, but I'm going to wait until I melt it for the second time. So yeah, it's cute. Like, it's giving like very natural and cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, you guys, so now we should be able to take off the elastic band and see how melted this lace is. Ooh, and it looks good. You know, so that we can see a little better. Okay, not looking bad, not looking bad. Let me cut my little sideburns. Don't do that. Fake or real, I need them all. Anyways, y'all, not too bad, not too bad. I feel like I can like pluck it on the side so, but let's get the other side. Okay, I see some places where I'm gonna need to go and tack down. See? That's okay. Okay, so while this is melting one last time, I'm gonna go ahead and use this spray bottle to just start styling this hair. I'm gonna use the water that's in here, and then after I'm gonna go in with a little bit Lotty body to just define the curls and control the frizz and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all, this is how short it is in real life. It's cute. It feels cute. It feels lightweight. It feels like I'm gonna be wearing this. I like it. But okay, let's go ahead and style this hair. Y'all, tell me these curls ain't popping. These curls is real cute and natural looking. Like, talk to me. These are cute. I like them. I like them a lot. Let's see how I can style this. Ooh, somebody has some good hair. Because y'all know this is human. Somebody has some good hair. Like my texture. I like it. Oh, this is cute. Look at how they just snap back. They just do their thing. Like, it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. We're gonna see how it does when it dries up though. So, but no, this is cute. Y'all just wait until I do my baby hairs, my swoops. Okay. Ooh, cute. All right, let me go ahead and remove this elastic band, and then we're gonna go ahead and do these baby hairs. Okay, I do see on the sides where I want to tweeze a little bit so I can make it like a little bit more natural looking, you know what I'm saying? Go easy. Okay, but it gave me what I needed, so I'm here for it. And because this hair is curling up so quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and lay this one as soon as I do what I do. I'm gonna use some of this wig grip gel to lay them edges, do what it do. Then of course, let's comb that out a little bit. Ooh wee, and it's cute. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's cute. That was up close and personal for y'all. Let's go ahead and continue with the rest of the style. Comb that out. Oh, y'all see? Madam Mama, I look fly. Chill. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of powder and I'm just going to put it on the lace. looking perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just tie this down one more good time because I just want everything just to look good. I'm actually very impressed. This one is very easy hair to work with. Like, it's really nice. And we'll let that sit on there for a little minute. Okay, now let's go ahead and take this elastic band off one last time, and boom, y'all, the hair is hairing. This short hair is cute. This short hair is cute. Like, look at that. Perfect. I keep shaking like something's gonna shake. No, but this is cute. Let me see if I can get my comb though. Just kind of, oh, I can comb it this way and form it, get it to like how I want it to be. Y'all, we finna get some looks out of this wig. This is cute. Anyways, you guys, so this is the hair. Y'all, please let me know what y'all think about the hair in the comments down below. Y'all, this hair is really, really cute. Like, really, really, really cute. I would do my makeup and all of that, but I actually look really good like this. Like, it looks real cute and natural. You know, clean girl, clean face. Let me stop. But anyways, like I just said, thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel, watching this video. Please let me know what y'all think about this short hair down in the comments below. I will have everything linked in my bio as to what hair this is. I got it off of Amazon, as you guys can tell from the title. But yeah, y'all, this is it. This is the hair. I'm impressed. I love it. I think I'm gonna wear it at least for a few days. Like, it's cute. I want to see how it looks in the morning, you know, like, am I gonna get like bed hair or something, or am I gonna get, you know, big perm, big worm, you know? I don't know. But anyways, you guys, I really, really like this. Yeah, y'all give this video a thumbs up if y'all like this unit. If y'all think it look good on me, I think it look good on me. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button and also that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops a new video. But until next time, Kim folks, may peace and love be multiplied, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
You bad like that, you know, but I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.